But one fashion faux pas, and the dressing down will last a lifetime.
Lifetime. Lifetime.
And the dressing down will last a lifetime.
No one calls it that anymore.
Well, it's still exciting. Let me know if you need help with your presentation speech or...
Presentation. Presentation.
Let me know if you need help with your presentation speech or...
But no, not just family. I mean, not family in the strictest legal sense.
Strict. Strict.
Not family in the strictest legal sense.
One, that sentence translates to bullcrap. You have until noon to turn it in.
Noon. Noon.
You have until noon to turn it in.
But don't worry, I'll find something that will leave her with no one.
So why do we even pay the inspector? Okay.
Instructor. Instructor.
So why do we even pay the inspector? Okay. He called and said a pipe burst and now the floors are ruined.
Well, hopefully he's exaggerating. Contractors are always looking for ways to make more money.
Contractor. Contractor.
Contractors are always looking for ways to make more money.
Well,
Shank was the only guy who had any, and he's no help to his dad. Bart's been too careful to leave any trace of the transactions on the books.
Transaction. Transaction.
To leave any trace of the transactions on the books.
Right, well, I mean, he got caught, but a lot of people do a little creative accounting to get past a rough patch you never do.
Patch. Patch.
To get past a rough patch you never do.
I'm sure every hedge fund manager behind bars is telling himself the same thing.
All I'm saying is that Bart had to keep track of his finances somewhere. If it
Finance. Finance.
was that Bart had to keep track of his finances somewhere. If it...
What are you doing?
I just needed to write some emails, so I was gonna borrow your dad's computer, but...
Borrow. Borrow.
Also, I was gonna borrow your dad's computer, but...
Your Chuck chapter is my favorite.
You put out a Chuck chapter? After I gave you your first decent place to live?
Decent. Decent.
After I gave you your first decent place to live?
Thanks for coming over, darling. I thought you still might be upset about my brief dalliance with Stephen.
Alliance. Alliance.
Upset about my brief dalliance with Stephen.
Okay, fine. I will delay the proposal for tonight anyway.
Delay. Delay.
I will delay the proposal for tonight anyway.
Gibson wear stockings on our head for that part?
Yes, Jessica. Go get outfitted and wait for my signal.
Outfit. Outfit.
Go get outfitted and wait for my signal. Serena's enthusiasm is like the bat signal for bad ideas.
It's sudden, I know.
Sudden. Sudden.
It's sudden, I know.
Dan, Nate,
Colin, Ben.
oh, she is a romantic.
Romantic. Romantic.
Oh, she is a romantic.
Thank you, Blair. I appreciate your input.
Input. Input.
I appreciate your input.
Why are you so sure that I'm delusional and not determined? She did date me.
Briefly.
Briefly. Briefly.
Briefly.
And I had my minion send a picture to Gossip Girl. Your plan just sucked.
My plan does not suck.
Suck. Suck.
My plan does not suck.
I already have. Don't worry, I'll be shocking in your dress, and Serena will never be my evil stepmom. Now,
Evil. Evil.
Serena will never be my evil stepmom. Now,
I want you to help me make him pay for what he did.
Put a silver spoon in your mouth.
Spoon. Spoon.
Put a silver spoon in your mouth. Or put a silver spoon in your mouth. Or raise you as a single parent. Which one do you want to punish me for first, son?
Punish. Punish.
Which one do you want to punish me for first, son? What can I say? Marriage has its privileges.
Privilege. Privilege.
Marriage has its privileges.
After you walked out of my fashion show.
Oh, so you get to ruin my future to sell dresses? Yeah, that's justified.
What?
Justify. Justify.
Yeah, that's justified.
What?
So I take it you didn't uninvite me either?
Of course not. What are you talking about?
Well, I know about the engagement ring and...
Engagement. Engagement.
Well, I know about the engagement ring and...
Of course not. What are you talking about?
Well, I know about the engagement ring and I don't care about my mom's permission.
Permission. Permission.
And I don't care about my mom's permission.
Neither.
So the whole time you refused to speak to me for choosing Chuck, you were cheating on me with Serena.
Cheat. Cheat.
You were cheating on me with Serena. For choosing Chuck, you were cheating on me with Serena.
It was only once, and you heard the tape. She manipulated me into it.
Manipulate. Manipulate.
And you heard the tape. She manipulated me into it. It was only once, and you heard the tape. She manipulated me into it.
In order to claim date rape, you have to say no.
Rape. Rape.
In order to claim date rape, you have to say no.
What the hell happened to waiting until midnight?
Midnight. Midnight.
What the hell happened to waiting until midnight?
If you're ever in the need of employment, call me.
Wait, you broadcast the sex tape?
Broadcast. Broadcast.
Wait, you broadcast the sex tape?
Hi. Bex, I know you're not allowed to tell me who bought the piece, but I'd like to send them an invitation.
Invitation. Invitation.
But I'd like to send them an invitation. And...
What are you doing? You know, going through someone's mail is a federal offense.
Offense. Offense.
It's a federal offense.
No, but I wondered if you'd seen Bart do anything unusual in the apartment. Maybe the reason he's so intent on keeping me out is because...
Intent. Intent.
Maybe the reason he's so intent on keeping me out is because...
Jean-Pierre called to get pattern for Sage sex dress. He said he already has calls from buyers.
Buyer. Buyer.
He said he already has calls from buyers. He said he already has calls from buyers.
Well, then that means that Waldorf Designs will be in stores before my mother's deadline.
Deadline. Deadline.
Will be in stores before my mother's deadline. Well, then that means that Waldorf Designs will be in stores before my mother's deadline. What could possibly explode that?
Explode. Explode.
What
What could possibly explode that? Oh, come on. How is that fair? I get dumped over our sex tape and you...
dump, dump,
I get dumped over our sex tape and you... Hey, thanks for being humiliated with me.
Once you've answered for your sins, there's
sin, sin,
once you've answered for your sins, there's once you've answered for your sins, there's nothing in the way of starting a whole new partnership.
partnership, partnership,
Of starting a whole new partnership.